Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2-step. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to scan Snapchat code. By scanning the Snapchat code, you can add in people to your friend list. So let me first show you how you can save or share the Snapchat code. Open up your Snapchat, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. And again, if you tap on your Bitmoji right here, it's going to give you a few options. Either you can save it to your camera roll or you can share it directly. You need the snap code of the person that you want to add. Once you have the snap code, you just head over to the chat section, tap on the human icon on the top right and tap on the Snapchat option on the top. Once you do, just tap on the Snapchat code that you have saved on your gallery, and this way the friend request will be sent to the other person. And once the other person accepts the friend request, you will become friends on Snapchat. So that's the exact way that you can scan Snapchat code on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.